Alright, today we're going to be talking about a tens frame. This is called a 10 frame. How many boxes are in the top row? This right here is called a row. So let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are on the top row. How many are in the bottom row? Again, this is called a row. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are in the bottom row. How many boxes are there altogether? Now let's think. What does altogether mean? It means that we add them up. So let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many boxes are there altogether? There are 10 boxes, or 10 altogether. What number would you show if you filled the 10 frame with counters? If there's a counter in each box, how many counters will there be? Well, how many boxes are there? There are 10. So if there's one counter in each box, how many counters are there? There would be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's show 7. How could we show the number 7 in the 10 frame? One way would be to put 7 counters in the 10 frame. Start at the top left box, right there. Why do you think it's a good idea to start in the first count in the top left box? Whenever we are putting numbers on a 10 frame, we always start in the top left box, which is right here. It's a way to organize it so it's easier to put more counters after that and count the counters. Alright, you have 1 so far on your 10 frame. How do you know? Because we see 1 in the box for our 10 frame. How do you know? You've got 1 in the 10 frame. There's only 1 counter. How many more counters would you need to show 5? Well, we know that the top row shows 5. So how many more do we need to show 5 if we have 1 so far? You need 4 more. How do you know? Because we have 1 here and so far, and you need 4 to make 5. Fill the top row first. You always start with filling the top row first. How many counters are in the 10 frame now? Well, you have 5 counters so far. You know that if the top row is filled, you have 5 counters on your 10 frame. Why is it important to fill the top row first? It's easier to see the total number of counters if the top row is filled. We know that there are how many on top? 5. Now fill the bottom row as you need to. How many counters do you have? Well, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or you could know that this is 5 plus our 2 more. 6, 7 makes 7. Now you have 7. How does having the top row full of counters help you show 7? 1 full row is 5, so you can count from 5 to 7. 7 is 2 more than 5. Now you know how to put numbers onto a 10 frame.